You guys doing 8 million a month?
This is the best gym in all of Marbella.
Bro, I was doing 8 figures a month. Yeah, I just live in a little tuna box.
Oh, 5K, 10K a month for an employee is expensive. It is, but eventually on the long run, it will pay off big time.
I start to realize that it actually holds me back more than it pushes the business forward.
We're capping off a pretty wild 2 weeks in Europe.
Look at my eyes, tell me your tale, then you see the road. I'm out to my soul, and tell me the size whenever the smoke clear out of my face. And my picture perfect, do I look fine?
Pulled up to Money Twitter houses right here. Tour number 1.
To push back the ceiling and push back the feelings I had to the side. I replay them nights and right by my side, all I see is the sea of people that ride.
Incredible. I think I'm moving to Marbella, G.
My trip to Marbella was supposed to be 1 week long. But on the last day, this happened.
7. Holy fuck, 7.8.
We're now, yesterday we just like 320K.
And all about how they want me to lose, but I'm W. Do
You won't jump in like that. You won't. I definitely, not right now.
I'll jump in right now.
Nah, I'm trying to get to the gym.
Jump in right now.
I'll jump in after the gym.
Jump in right now with all the clothes on.
Nah, I'll do that after the gym though.
You heard that.
back of the neck. I wanna put mirror 10 on the tent. I wanna see the reflection. I'm the best dressed at the Met. The way that her dress, I know how to dress. Everyday hustle like we.
Tell the people what this is.
Colin, you want to take her? Prawns. Spicy prawns.
Spicy prawns, one of Noemi's favorite Spanish dishes.
Yeah, bro, we like.
Wow. I booked this guy's jet. And the guy's jet that I booked is the same person that pretty much I partners up with now, 2 years after. So you guys have had this business for 12 months, right?
Yeah.
First 3 months, how much revenue did you do?
We did like 15K days after a month, so that I would say that's like 400K a month in euros, like $500,000 US.
In the first 90 days?
Yeah.
So you did like what, like 3 mil or 2 mil, give or take, in the first, and then the second 90 days, what was that like?
Let's check the Shopify dashboard.
Yeah, I'm just curious.
Numbers, baby.
I'm just curious to see like what was the growth.
Numbers don't lie.
So first month you did 74K. That was October 2023. Second month you went from 75 to 700. That's a 10x.
10x.
Then you did 1.6 in December, 2.5 in January, 3.5 in February, 5, 4, 7. Holy fuck, 7.8.
We're now, yesterday we just like 320K.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Oh my God.
So you'll probably do another 7 million this month.
Yeah.
That's insane.
I just put a master kid on top of a lamp show. I know how I feel to stay down and run you some bands.
Now put yourself in my shoes. If you knew somebody was making $8 million a month, would you not want to learn more from them? Because I did. So I booked myself another week and decided to stay.
Right now we're about to go meet up with the boys, Ole and JJ. Boys are absolutely crushing it. We went to a party with them at Play a Padre the other day. Met them through my boy Colin, shout out Colin. And out of nowhere, these guys just flexed on their Shopify screenshot or their Shopify dashboard. And the boys made $8 million last month with their brand. So we're gonna go hang out with them, get a nice little workout, pick their brain, and go from there.
This is Pete, gotta keep a carbon in my reeds. Pick a calamari out my teeth, babe.
How important do you think working out is to be successful?
Bro, it's just not for looking fit and sharp, right? But it's mainly because of dedication. Because how you do one thing, you're doing everything. So if you show up every day in the gym, you're probably gonna show up at your work as well, right?
100%.
Because it gives like motivation, fulfillment, everything. You look sharp, like it's so important.
I couldn't agree more with you on that.
Because my ecom journey started basically when I started working out, right?
Wow.
Because if you take this shit serious, you're gonna reflect it in your business as well.
Yeah, I mean, discipline is key. If you can't show up and do the easiest things every single day, how do you expect to show up to your business and be successful and push your employees and get shit out the door?
Exactly, totally
Just can't
agree.
happen.
You need to be a leader and start in the gym, I believe.
100%.
On the G, I keep spilling coffee on my jeans. I don't like be talking, I'm gon' squeeze, babe.
Ole, how many products did you guys fail at in order to find the winning one and the winning brand that you have now?
Too many. Probably 200 products.
200.
But because we did general dropshipping first.
Yeah.
And then we started segmenting down, more niche down into shoes, into beauty, all kind of niches. And eventually you can find your winning ones if you just double down on it.
Yeah. Why do you think branding is way more important than dropshipping?
Because with branding you build an LTV with the customers.
Yep.
And the real profit is when a customer buys 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. And not just one time. Shit service and then goes away.
Yeah. Marbella vibes are impeccable. What I realize is honestly, as long as you do something you love, you'll do it anywhere in the world you are. So, you know, we wouldn't sit here at the gym or at the lobby or at the coffee shop for 6 hours straight working if we didn't love what we do. Well, what do you think, G?
Yeah, I completely agree. I mean, once you're in a flow state and once you tap in and you find something that you genuinely enjoy, which for us just happened to be ecom, it's like so easy. Like, I genuinely enjoy having conversations about ecom, spending time building, growing, learning. Like, I pretty much just integrated it completely into my life, and for me it genuinely never feels like work. Like, it's been a long time since I've gotten up and like had anything to do that was related to ecom where I wasn't looking forward to it. Yeah, we have some things like that are tedious and annoying to do, like the boring stuff, like meeting with customer support or having to figure out like logistics with like new integrations and stuff like that. But those are the only things that are not as fun. But besides that, everything else, it's like it feels like it's just up only because it's just like I actually genuinely enjoy it. So yeah, I mean, just one of those days. I think obviously we've been doing a lot of traveling and enjoying our time here in Marbella, but we have a new bar that's been set around us from our network, and so we have to get to that same level, and so we just got to level up. And so it just takes getting down, getting it done, and continuing to build. So
I'll grab some dinner right now and then see where the day takes us.
Paid the cost to be the boss.
This is Juan's favorite spot. It's called what? Puerto Banús.
Puerto Banús,
It's got all types of activity: shopping activity, food activity, yacht activity, female activity. But obviously that's haram. We don't really care about that. Juan, tell me what's the most mind-blowing thing you've experienced coming to Europe for the first time, specifically here in Marbella? Like, what was like, holy shit, that's a what the fuck moment?
I would probably say when I had one of the prostitutes walk up to me and ask me how much I wanted to pay her to hook up with her. That was actually insane. I was just minding my business and she just came out of nowhere. So I would say that's probably the craziest thing so far. I had never seen that before. First time, but I guess that's what happens in Marbella.
That's crazy. Round one of food right here. No seed oil chicken wings, grilled chicken right here. Super healthy.
seed oil, bro.
Look, bro, I'm up 15 pounds. I said, fuck it, we're gonna bulk up this trip, come back to the US and trim down. That's the plan.
Know what you see? See a bad mother.
All right, day two, we are in Marbella still. Just like day two, we're about to head to the gym again because the routine does not change. No matter where we go, it's the same exact shit. Wake up, morning routine, take our supplements. You see the subs right there, obviously. NZT, we take some fucking Tonka for the testosterone, some Fedoja, 10x Health right here for genetics, vitamins, and that's pretty much the protocol. Push-ups, coffee, get a nice little work session in for like 2 hours, and then go crush the gym, get some great food, and back to work, baby. Let's run it. Back at it. Me in here. This is probably one of the best gyms I've ever hit, to be honest, worldwide.
I was just thinking about you. Pop a Percocet, get higher than a kite. Fuck your bitch, get her ass out of sight. Can't finna treat you, but I'm living nice.
All right, so I've been around a lot of e-commerce business owners, and I've noticed there's two types. There's some owners that like to leverage, I guess, their employees and not do any work and let their employees run the business. And then there's another version which are kind of more hands-on, which I like to include myself on, which you have the great team, but you also make sure you're steering the ship every day. JJ is one of those guys that I've noticed. So JJ, I want to ask, what do you usually focus on when you have all these meetings every single day? And you're motivating your team, you're pushing your team. What's kind of like main things that you guys like to talk about day to day to push the business forward?
Like, we always have the bigger picture, right? Like, what are the holidays are coming? What are the big things in the US? Like, especially in the US, Independence Day is coming, Father's Day is coming. So we are so busy with preparing everything in advance. So make sure like every department is streamlined.
For people who are starting or even trying to scale, but their main issue is, let's say, I don't know, systems, right?
Yeah.
What do you think is, I don't know, some tools or some processes that you guys implemented that allowed you to grow your team and be more efficient?
Yeah, that's a very good question. So before December, we already on 7-figure months, we basically had nothing in-house. Like, we don't work with objectives or milestones. And then we hired like a very experienced guy inspired by Silicon Valley, and we start to work with Miro. Probably you guys know Miro. And we built like a whole dashboard ourselves where we have literally all the goals, 6 months, 12 months. We work with weekly milestones, monthly milestones, quarterly milestones, and these weekly milestones you are creating every department and every individual on a weekly basis, and they are based on your quarterly objective, right? And that's very good for us because we are avoiding micromanagement. We know exactly where it's like an individual, like a video editor in the company. We know what he's gonna deliver tomorrow, and if he is not able to complete his task, he's underperforming, and we know what to do, right?
Sunny. Yesterday my life was filled with rain. Sunny, you smiled at me and really eased the pain.
Alright, he's giving us a tour of MTV Twitter houses. Let's go. Alright, what do we got here?
So we have a swimming pool.
God, bro.
Fuck, bro, so bad. I haven't used the pool once.
Bro.
I just look at it sometimes.
This is fucking
Nonsense.
Look at this view, bro.
And then we got the beach. And the beach is
Priceless. Wow, G. I'm telling you, bro, Marbella is the move. I think I'm gonna have to move here. Fuck all that Miami, Skyami. Look at this place. How does your house compare?
Yeah, to be honest, this one's better. Yeah, I got scammed, bro.
Come on, G. There's literally like a fucking 700K in watches.
Probably, yeah.
Right?
This one is so light. What
it's
the fuck?
so,
Bro.
So tight, right? Yeah, the tech's my favorite.
What? Bro, it's so
Easy,
thin,
bro.
bro. But I'm telling you,
You got
once you buy a rubber
APs.
strap watch, where you daily wear it.
Yeah.
Bro's
I
got
wore that for like
Rollies.
2 months straight.
Oh yeah, bro. In
How much you
Malaysia,
spend
that
on
was
this?
only what you bought, bro.
Like about, I can't remember, bro. It wasn't much.
Over
Probably
a
a little bit less
Less
than the
less.
Patek. This was a little bit less than the Patek.
So under 100.
Of course.
Yeah.
But it
This
looks
is
like
nice.
it costs more. It's
Yeah,
factory
yeah,
diamonds as
because
well.
it's the marble.
Diamonds, yeah.
Yeah. Ole, what's your plan for buying watches this year?
So guys, we always set goals for watches, right? Because then you can remember the goal on the watch. So we're gonna strive to buy a Patek in like 2 weeks. I already ordered it, didn't pay it yet, but we're gonna buy it in Dubai. And then we have the plan to buy as a Christmas gift a RM. If we succeed the goals in Q4, so that will be really big, bro. So excited for that as well. And for the rest, maybe if I see another nice watch, maybe a little Daytona or anything, we'll also cop that. But anyways, this is a sick collection, and I love to see it.
I mean, you guys see the laptops. We literally came here to work, and somehow we ended up with like
This one?
$700,000 worth of watches on the table right now. And just seeing this, Zorok's downstairs, I said, fuck it. By the time you guys see this vlog, within a few weeks after, we're going to drop another one, and I'm going to go buy a new piece. It's either going to be one of these, or something similar to
This one is
this
also
right
sick,
here.
guys.
Yeah.
So nice little oyster flex rubber strap for the classy days. You know what I'm saying? When we're not feeling too heavy. But, bro, watches, if you're a gentleman, and if you're an entrepreneur and you're working hard towards something, me, I'm a watch guy all day. Forget the cars, buy nice bags. Dude, I thought I came in first, but I'm the reason why he didn't come in first, so in my eyes, it's a dub. Who came in first?
Like a trekking
Cam
one.
first, Z in second. Me and Ola came in tied. And I fucked him up.
Bro,
so
I came second.
That's
Why
why
is he capping? I came second. It's calm though.
Right, boys. Enjoy.
Bon appetit.
You good,
Eat 2 burgers, man?
I'm finna eat 2 burgers and some more. Gee, I'm fucking hungry. Big boy gains right here.
What'd you eat today, man?
What did we eat this morning? Healthy meal. Life Max. So, tell them, what do we have this morning?
We just had a mad breakfast. Raw milk, raw butter, eggs, smoothies, just base shit.
Avocado. We had the patented Ciroc smoothie. Was probably the best smoothie I've ever had.
Yeah, really? You think
Hands down. Hands down.
coffee as well.
Bro, that smoothie was incredible.
Did you fuck with the smoothie?
I got the secret recipe. If y'all want that, subscribe to the newsletter.
Yeah.
That's for sure. And then we just had 200 gram burgers, beef tallow,
Also fire.
no fat, straight fire. And then we're gonna top it off with an extra brownie dessert. You know what I'm
A lot
saying?
of
Like,
bullshit inside here though. But,
nah, it's protein brownies.
Yeah.
It tastes like
a
protein.
lot of caffeine.
Straight up. We'll make up for it at the gym though tomorrow. First things first, baby. Gotta sweat all the bad stuff out.
Yeah, I'm out here on the road. You can hear it in the voice. Still get this shit off though. Look.
Alright, so we're in the sun now, under heat and under pressure. JJ and Ole, I want to ask you guys, is there a certain time or period in your business where you guys felt like everything was gonna crumble?
Yeah, so like we started back in like the end of 2020 with Ecom, and then we like made like some nice money, around 300 grand, and we invested everything in the cash and delivery business in Romania. So we scaled up the business over there to like, what is it, 20k a day. But when you sell cash and delivery, you receive the money when the package is delivered, right? So we just scaled up, but we still need to deliver everything, and also the packages still need to be sent to Romania. So eventually we did like around, what was it, 1 million in revenue?
Yeah, in total like $1 million or so.
And it was like with 30%, 300k like in losses. So we lost again all our money that we just made.
So how do you bounce back? Like for somebody to lose $300,000 and then come back and build a multi-million-dollar business, what were you guys thinking?
It comes down to just never give up, you know? You gotta keep that vision. So we always thought we want to be successful in having a crazy e-com store. Doesn't matter in which niche back then. So we just thought, okay, this is a big loss. Let's just get
I
back.
remember we moved back from Dubai to Croatia. We stayed there for a month with my girl during COVID, and there everything blew up again.
Changed, yeah.
We were back on 30k days. We make some great profits. Of course, in between got some PayPal holes and stuff, but we managed it, and there we made money again. So it was a great journey.
Yeah.
I think the last question I want to ask you boys to wrap this vlog up is, what is one piece of advice you would give to your younger self or to anybody starting with e-commerce maybe right now?
Yeah, so what I would say is put yourself in uncomfortable places, right? Go to masterminds, try to network with people who are further than you, because that's actually where you learn the most from. So just network with other people, try what they are doing, surround yourself with them, and take their advice and basically start to build from there, because you cannot figure it out yourself, because these people already, they walk the path already, right? So that's 100%. The advice I will give.
I love that. How about you, Ole?
Advice I gave is stick to the plan. You just gotta have the vision, stick to it, and never give up, because if you don't give up, you cannot fail. And it's literally true. It's like, yeah, just go for it, man. You can achieve everything you want.
Yeah, what
100%.
I want to add to that is because there are so many opportunities nowadays, like you have crypto, e-com, affiliates and stuff. Just if you start your e-com brand, focus on that. It's gonna pay off in the end, right? Like as Ola already said, stick to the plan. Don't get like disturbed by other opportunities like crypto and stuff. Just focus to it, and eventually you're gonna make it.
Hell yeah. You heard it from them, boys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Looking forward to dropping a bunch more.